Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sync TikTok pictures to music. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open the TikTok account. After that, what you want to do is click on this plus button which is on the bottom of your screen. Now, upload pictures that you want to sync music with. For example, I'll choose these pictures. After that, click on Auto Cut, and it will process your video and sync your TikTok pictures to music. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.